Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your birthday date on LinkedIn using your PC. Maybe you want to keep things private, or perhaps you just need to correct a mistake. Whatever the reason, LinkedIn makes it simple to adjust your birthday settings. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me icon. It's usually your profile picture or a generic profile image if you haven't uploaded one. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the page where you can control various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Next, click on Account Preferences. Now, you'll see a section labeled Profile Information. Under this, you're going to click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to edit the basic details associated with your LinkedIn profile. On the next screen, you'll find Contact Info. Click on Edit Contact Info. This is where you can adjust things like your email address and phone number, but more importantly, for our task today, your birthday. In the Edit Contact Info pop-up window, you'll see the birthday bar. Here, you can change the month and the day to your desired date. Once you've made the necessary changes and you're happy with the new date, click Save at the bottom of the window. And that's it. Your birthday date on LinkedIn is now updated. Remember that LinkedIn gives you options to control who sees your birthday information. You can choose to make it visible only to yourself, to your connections, to your network, connections up to 3 degrees away, or to all LinkedIn members. If you prefer to keep your birthday private, setting the visibility to only you is the way to go. Adjusting your birthday privacy settings can be a great way to manage the attention you receive on your special day. If you're someone who loves birthday wishes from your network, leaving it visible is perfect. However, if you prefer a more low-key approach, hiding it is just as easy. So whether you're correcting a mistake or adjusting your privacy, LinkedIn gives you the flexibility to manage your birthday information as you see fit. Now you can confidently control who sees your birthday and who receives notifications about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.